The United States is a party to the Montreal Protocol, which is an international treaty that governs the use of these refrigerants. In particular, it governs the use of CFCs and HCFC refrigerants. In 2016, the Montreal Protocol was amended by what is known as the Kigali Amendment. The Kigali Amendment added HFC refrigerants to the Montreal Protocol. R410A is an HFC refrigerant. Between the treaty and the American Innovation and Manufacturing Act, or AIM Act, the Environmental Protection Agency promulgated regulations that require the phase down of HFC refrigerants with a GWP above 700 for residential air conditioning applications by January 1, 2025, which puts us into the classification of A2L refrigerants. Primarily, the reason why the international community is looking at the phase down of these chemicals is to reduce global warming across the world. And by doing that, HFCs are a greenhouse gas. By phasing down to lower GWP potential refrigerants, we are thereby reducing the emissions that cause greenhouse gases and global warming.